Hey everyone! If you've been searching online for an affordable way to replace missing teeth, you've definitely seen the ads for Easy Denture. For just $197, they promise to send you a quality, self-fitting denture straight to your home. No dentist visit needed. It sounds like a dream solution, especially compared to quotes of $1,500 or more. But can you really trust a DIY denture kit you buy online? Is Easy Denture a legitimate company or a scam you should avoid? Let's find out. First, let's look at how it works. It's a boil and bite system. You soften the denture in hot water, then mold it to your gums yourself. They say it's FDA registered, award-winning, and used by dentists. The idea of skipping the dental chair and saving a ton of money is incredibly appealing. But here's the catch. Dentures are medical devices, not one-size-fits-all products. A proper fit is everything. It affects your ability to eat, talk, and prevents sores and bone loss. Getting that perfect fit at home, by yourself, is a huge challenge. This is the core of all the mixed reviews you'll find. Speaking of reviews, let's check the independent site Trustpilot. Easy Denture has a mixed score of 3.1 out of 5. This tells the whole story. You'll find happy customers who got an okay fit for the price and are satisfied as a temporary fix. But you'll also find many frustrated customers. Common complaints are that the denture never fit right, felt bulky or loose, broke easily, or that customer service was unhelpful. These aren't signs of a scam, but of a product with very inconsistent results that heavily depends on your own skill and situation. Now, for the technical side, is their website a scam setup? Using Scam Advisor, EasyDenture.com gets a very high trust score of 91 out of 100, labeled very likely safe. Crucially, the domain is over 16 years old. A scam site doesn't last that long. It has a valid security certificate and safe browsing flags. The website itself is legitimate. Final verdict, Easy Denture is a legitimate company, not a scam. They sell a real product through a safe website. However, here is the crucial warning. This is a high-risk DIY solution. It might work as a short-term emergency backup if you're very handy and have realistic expectations. But it is not a replacement for professional dental care. For your long-term oral health, comfort, and function, consulting a dentist is the only safe and reliable path. If this honest breakdown helped you, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more clear reviews. Thanks for watching and take care of your smile.